Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to change equalizer preset for your earbuds HUAWEI FreeBuds Pro 4. You have to start by open Huawei AI Life application, and of course you need to add your earbuds to the app. Then you will see them at the device list and tap at your earbuds. Right here we have Huawei sound, and this one is our preset, so you can just scroll it or click more, and we have here also preset the same. In the professional we have only two, balanced and classical, and right here we have more. So now tap at the best one for you. I want to Symphony, and now we just change it. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!